The PulsEvo Arduino Uno Tinkering Beginners Kit is an excellent kit for beginners, students, hobbyists, developers, learners, artists, and teenagers to experts in this field and create a vast array of projects which interact with people and the environment. Various components are included in this pack to try out different projects. It includes all of the basic components like lid, breadboard, jumper wire, easy LCD, RFID, joystick, and many more. The kit comes with an MDF board to put your sensors and Arduino board to it. It also included a detailed guide, software, and source code. Building some creative and simple projects is a great way to walk through coding and basic electronic circuits knowledge. It includes many activities which will take you from knowing to utilizing robotics and electronics in the real world. This kit includes everything you need to get started with electronics using an Arduino and a lot of things that will take you from a beginner to an enthusiast.